And
Careful with this table.
yeah, on the right side we have I think this is associated with the first nipple. It's adjacent to the first nipple. Another 2 subcutaneous firm nodules. That is on the right side. And then on the left, I feel more. Okay. So and what is, just out of curiosity, what is your first language?
Japanese.
Japanese?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me just, in case there's something I want to put in to Google Translate for you. Okay, so what I think that we have, okay, what I think that we have is something called mammary tumors. Because she was an adult female when she was, I think, just fine. I do surgery in older dogs all the time, and they do really well.
Right.
But the thing is, what we do is we get chest x-rays and blood work beforehand so we know if they are a candidate.
Before surgery, you cannot find out it's bad cancer or good.
No, because the other test we do for lumps is called cytology.
That's
The radical mastectomy for a cat or dog less than 15 kilograms. So it would be around, it could be upwards of, like, this is the package, maybe 4,500. So it's a specialized procedure. Only I do them and one other doctor in Brooklyn. Yeah. The higher the chance of spreading to the lungs if it is a bad cancer.
I see.